Hey guys, welcome back to Skillless Swim Revit course. In previous video, we saw how to add room tags, and there was a question that can we add different parameters to the room tags like occupancy and finish. Yes, we surely can add different parameters to our tags depending on the requirement. When it comes to occupancy, it has different contexts in different application areas. In code compliance, it is used for classification and load calculation. In life safety plans, occupancy is used to calculate the exit count, signage, and in interior designing for layout planning and clearance. And when it comes to room tags, it is used to show the occupant load per room. So let's see how to add these parameters. To add different parameters to the room tags, first place the room tags. Okay, go to architecture, room and area, room, place a room tag. Now select the room tag, go to property palette, edit type, duplicate this, rename it, click on OK. I also want to show the area, so click on area, apply and OK. Now go to select the room tag, go to edit family. It should be in the customized room tag that we created by duplicating. Go to edit family. Now select any of the parameter. For example, where you want to add the new parameter. Okay, so I want it below the room name. So I'll just select this and in property palettes, go to label edit. If not, go to edit label beside the family editor here. So edit, and here we can see that there is a parameter of name which in a sample value shows room name, that is this option here. So this is the name parameter that is taken from here. Similarly, these are the different parameters that are present here. For example, if I select for rooms, particularly for rooms, I have these many parameters that I can add, right? So in this, if I have to select occupancy, click on occupancy and add parameters to label here, right? And if you want to add any of the finishes, for example, the ceiling finish, click on ceiling finish, add it here. And if you want to add any of the floor finish, click on floor finish, add it here. If I don't want ceiling finish, what I can do, select the ceiling finish and back. This is remove parameter. Click on remove parameter. It removes the ceiling finish here. Okay, and if you want to rearrange this, like first you want the name, then the floor finish, then the occupancy, what you have to do, you just have to select the parameter and move it up. If you want to take this down, select the parameter and then click it here. So this is how you can arrange your parameters. Once you are okay with this, if you want to add any of the other parameters, you can add it here and click on apply. And before that, there is option for break here, right? In a sense, once this breaks the line, for example, the name comes on the one line, and then there will be occupancy in the next line, and then there will be floor finish in the next line. If not, what happens is that it takes it continuously. So make sure you break it here, right? And you can also add prefix and suffixes. For example, in occupancy, if I am giving number of occupants, so if I give suffix as occupants, it gives me the number and the suffix occupants comes in front of it. And in floor finish, if I give prefix as floor, in this way it gives the prefix as floor, it comes in front of the name or the material that I'm typing. So once you finish with all this, click on apply. Okay. Here you can see that it's in this form. Now load this into the project. Override this, and when you click on room now, right, you can edit or change the parameters here. For example, this is classroom and it has occupancy of say about, it's 45, so around 23 occupants, and this is a vinyl flooring for this. So if I have to mention all this, I can do it here. Click on it and it gets changed. Again, if you don't want this number to be here, what you have to do, click on edit family. You can just delete this number. Right, next go to architecture, room, select for the customized room tag, click, click, click. If you have any changes, you have to do it here. Like this is also a classroom, occupancy 23, floor, vinyl, similarly you can change for all the different parameters. So this is it for now. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. There will be more videos on documentation part. Don't miss them. See you in the next video.